Well, it seems like there's a laser for just about everything these days, but I'm not complaining, and I don't think Dr. G's patients are either. Today we're here for another health and wellness moment at Texas Family Wellness Clinic with Dr. Guevara himself, and we're talking about low-intensity laser therapy. Is that what it's called?
That's what it's called.
And what exactly is that?
So low-intensity laser therapy uses a light energy at a specific wavelength and frequency to penetrate the skin down to the deep tissues of the musculoskeletal system to help repair tissue. So we use it for a lot of different musculoskeletal problems, injuries, things like degenerative disc disease, maybe strains of muscles, tendons, ligaments. We use it for osteoarthritis. We use it for meniscus injuries for the knee. So lots of different musculoskeletal applications for the laser therapy.
Interesting. That was a mouthful already,
Right.
but let's go into how this works. Is this the technology right
So
here?
this is part of it. So this is made by a company called BioFlex, and what it is a device that has these lights on one side of it. We call these lights diodes, and this is what emits that light energy at that wavelength and frequency that helps to penetrate the skin and stimulate that healing process. So there are some contraindications. We don't want to use it in an area where you may have cancer. So for instance, if we're using the treatment on your neck, if you have a history of thyroid cancer, we wouldn't want to use it there.
Okay, and how do we determine whether or not this is an option for the pain we're experiencing?
Great question. So definitely want to evaluate you, have you come in, let us know what symptoms you're having. So for instance, if you're having shoulder pain, we evaluate you, we do our physical examination of you. We might need to do x-rays to find out, if there's something more serious going on causing your shoulder pain. And then once we determine that you don't have a fracture or something else that could be causing a problem, then we have you schedule an appointment with us, come in for the laser treatment, and it takes about 45 minutes to do, depending on which body part we're treating. As you can see, it's flexible, so we would apply the pad to the shoulder, leave it there for about 45 minutes, get you treated, and then we also finish up the treatment with a probe. I didn't bring that in, but it's a little probe that we use on the injured joint or body part, and that essentially gives you a more concentrated laser treatment. But that's part of the whole treatment. So the reason that we use this is because I used it personally on my low back. I have a degenerative disc disease of my lumbar spine. I had pain and numbness going down to my right big toe. And after about 4 treatments, my pain and numbness completely went away. And that was about 12 years ago. So since then, I've had pain for about a week. Several years ago, I repeated the treatment, and since then, I haven't had any problems.
Very cool. It's been such a fun journey coming here every Monday to learn a little bit more about the services that you all offer and the technology that's out there, which is why it's so important to share on the show. So thank you for joining us today. And if you want more information about this or any other service available at Texas Family Wellness Clinic, give them a call, head to their website even, and just apply to be a patient. They have this new location right here on the south side and another one in Calallen, so there's a spot for everybody. Just come on by and mention that Coastal Living sent you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Health and Wellness with Dr. Guevara is paid for by Texas Family Wellness Clinic.